following. I got some fun. I have a GoPro, so we're gonna go, bro.
I'm coming home. It's a holiday, America can't hold me now. Christmas a J.A., what a happy crowd. Where the dance them, the from country come a town. I'm coming home. It's a holiday, Britain can't hold me now. Christmas a J.A., what a happy crowd. Where the dance them, the from country come a town. Oh my God, that today are the year-to-year dance. So much love we showing. Christmas breeze is blowing. Nah, it won't be snowing. It's perfect.
We're going to Cant World.
So we just gotta wait for Daddy because Daddy takes forever, right?
Like this.
Oh, that's how slow Daddy is? That's extremely slow. Okay, Jam, I think you get it. You can come back. Jameer! Jameer, let's go. Okay, he's just being extra.
That's how Daddy's slow.
Like a turtle?
Yeah. Come home, and after the jumping squirrel, I want to come back home and make do a video of me making slime, and you're gonna see me make slime. I don't want to do it anymore. Bye, babe.
Flying squirrel. It's here in Whitby. We're gonna have lots of fun.
What?
We're gonna have lots of fun.
Flying squirrels in Whitby?
No, Whitby.
Whitby?
Yeah, where's your dad? Daddy's still there. Come.
You're at the flying squirrel, everybody.
Okay, let's go. Let's go have some fun.
So here we're out here. Where's that place name?
Flying Squirrel.
I was literally forced to come here, but I'm here nonetheless. Now, Jamie, we're gonna jump on mommy. So come now, following. I got some fun. I have a GoPro, so we're gonna go, bro.
Okay.
So you don't know the thing set. Jamie, let me see you here. Jamie, let me see you here. Just gave him a haircut. Is it? Fade him out. I'll give myself a haircut too. You know what the thing is. Come. Come, bro. Yeah. Oh, yeah, man. Let us see the hair, bro. Oh, yeah, man. Here. Thank you, man.
Don't look at my hair.
Record, no? Here, you know, record?
Yeah.
Record that.
Don't look at me.
No, record me. Turn the camera. Look at me.
Don't look at me.
Yes, we're getting his wristband right now so that we're getting your pass. So your right hand. Which is your right hand?
Stop screaming and stop that.
Right hand, not that hand. Right hand. Make you say no, man.
No, you just need to scream.
Right hand.
Is that the sticky part?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the sticky part. So the socks, some of them are for the trampoline.
And we can reuse them. We can use my skies over here.
But they're all pink.
Nice socks, bud.
Let's go.
Looking like Tonto Blocks. Tonto Blocks would wear it for style, so. Okay, let's go jump. Let's go jump, bro. Let's go.
Here, bro. Come on, Johnny.
Jump. Woo! Jump. Jump. Whoa! Good one, Jam.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
I was wondering what you're trying to do.
Okay.
Did you not know that wasn't part of the trampoline? I wonder if I got it. I just wonder if I got it. Come over here. Climb up, go in here, and then you can jump off. Ready? When you're ready. You got it. Woo! Good job, buddy. Let go. Ew, that was so lame. Okay, go. Okay, have fun.
Run fast, 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 fast. All right, try again. Go on, hold on, hold on, go 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 on. Yes. Nice. Go, oh, go at the end, go at the end. Yeah, run, run, run. No, man, run and jump, run and just jump. Come on. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Run and jump. Yeah, anyone, yeah. Just jump. Yes, yes. All right. Jump again, jump again, jump. Wow. Nice. Go on the obstacles. Take the obstacles and go up. Yo! Yeah, what is it? Whoa! Nice! Nice, bro. There he is. Oh! Go look for your mother. Come, where's your mother?
Look at him doing a flip.
Do that flick, boy. Whoa! 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 Whoa!
You can do a cartwheel? Hey! Ho! Come, we're gonna go eat. We're gonna go for lunch and eat. Did you have fun? We can come here next week. Oh, I don't have a toonie. I know.
You don't have money?
I think that would be cool. You want to go in there? Here, come, let's go in here. I want to go in here.
tornado. You don't want to be in a tornado?
You like the wind? Come. Come on, stop being a bushman. Come, let's go. We're gonna go eat lunch. Put on your stuff. Where's your jacket? You didn't bring your jacket?
I don't like jacket, bro. I'm Canadian, eh?
First of all, we don't speak like that.
I'm Canadian. I don't like jacket, eh? I'm just trying to wear a jacket, kids. I'm only not wearing a jacket because the car is right there and we're coming from right there. You see?
Look what I did.
Right, I got that burger. Good. Nice.
It says all burgers top with lettuce, tomatoes, fries. I mean, pickles.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay. Jam, your juice is right there, eh?
What's yours?
You said you were thirsty. Orange juice. That's yours.
Oh, you said I'm thirsty and then they got it for me?
And mozzarella sticks. Yep.
It's a cheese stick. Dip it.
I don't like that.
Oh. See cheese stretching?
It's too hot. I'm powerful.
Can you fix this so it doesn't? Thank you.
Yeah. That's not mine?
No, it's right here.
There you go. You guys got everything you need?
Yep.
Thank you.
Enjoy.